We all know the life insurance is designed to protect a future. But wait, it is your life insurance rewards your today as well. IGI just gives the premium to the future every year. Well, here is a win-win solution. Life insurance that covers your today as well as your tomorrow. IGI Life Vitality, a wellness program that not only encourages you to adopt healthy lifestyle but also rewards you for it. With IGI Life, you get insight on your current health status or given personalized target to improve your health and return attractive rewards for living healthier. A smartphone and an optional wearable device. So how does it work? 3, 2, 1. Start. Let's take the example of our customer Ali, who is 35 years old. Ali is interested in the life insurance that protects his family and rewards him to living healthy. He contacts IGI Life via the helpline 009665990654434. Ali signs up for the IGI Life Vitality Future Smart Plan and receives his welcome kit. He downloads the IGI Life Vitality app, completes his registration and purchases an optional discounted Samsung Galaxy Watch to measure all his physical activities. Ali starts off his bronze status. He completes his online medical assessment and earns points for filling out the personalized Vitality Health Review. 1000 points. Vitality Nutrition Assessment 500 points. Vitality Health Post Check 1250 points. Each 2500 additional points for being within the healthy range for each of the 4 measures. 10,000 points in total. So far, Ali has earned 15,000 points for the Vitality Health Check. Non-smoker declaration 1000 points. Ali has now achieved silver status with the total of some 17,500 points. Based upon his result, Vitality age 33 years, Ali now receives personalized weekly physical activity targets on his Vitality app. And being his physical activity which Ali meets his weekly physical activity targets and gets to choose between the available active awards, a 50% discounted movie ticket from Easy Tickets or a 500 rupees discounted voucher from Foodpanda. Ali chooses and redeems the Easy Ticket discount voucher and enjoys the movie with his friends at the cinema for half price. In week 2, he achieves his weekly target again and this time opts for the Foodpanda voucher to order a discounted healthy meal, having achieved his monthly target by the end of the month. Ali receives the cashback on his Samsung Galaxy Watch. Ali stays active to maintain the healthy routine for 5 months and accumulates 20,000 points and reaches gold status by the end of the year. Ali earns 30,000 points in total and achieve platinum status. Based on this platinum status, Ali accrues the percentage of his premium as the annual integrated benefit. Ali finishes the year 7 kg lighter with the reduced Vitality age of 40. At the end of 2 years, Ali has still in limit his monthly target and has earned 100% cashback on his Samsung Galaxy Watch. He is now also eligible to win new Samsung Watch through the program on which he will continue to earn cashback over the next 24 months. On his 5th IGI Life Vitality Policy anniversary, each year accrued integrated benefit amount is credited to the cash value of Ali's policy by now. Because he has always achieved his target, he has also earned cashback on 2 Samsung Galaxy Watches and he is now enjoying his 3rd one. If Ali's story inspires you, sign up today and start your journey toward getting healthier and easier, earning attractive rewards every year, every month and every week. IGI Life, rewarding life every day. Contact number 0092301743.